Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to explain chapter 5. Okay, the chapter name is Advanced Features of Word. Okay students, this is the chapter 5 and the chapter name is Advanced Features of Word. Okay students, in this chapter we will discuss about find and replace, spelling and grammar, treasures, drop cap effect and mail merge. Okay students, so let us discuss about find and replace. Okay, so dear students, find and replace, the find feature of MS Word helps to search a specific word or text within a document. There will be times when you may need to replace a word or sentence in a document. The replace feature is used in such a situation. Okay, so dear students, look here, finding text. To search for a particular text in a document, you have to follow some steps. Step first is click on the home tab, and then after you have to click on the find button from the editing group, and then after a navigation pane will be appear on the left side of the document. Okay, then after you have to type your word that you want to find. Okay, if the word is founded in the document, then it automatically gets highlighted in yellow. A preview of searched result appear below the search box in the navigation pane. Placing the mouse pointer over the result displays the page number on which the current accuracy is present. Dear students, if the searched word or text appear multiple times in a document, then it is quite easy to jump directly to the exact location of a result. To do so, click on that particular result. The selected instance gets highlighted in gray. Okay students, understand everyone? I hope you all are understand. Now come to the next page. Okay, look here students, this is the navigation pane. When you will click on the find option, this type of navigation pane will be appear on the left side of your document. Okay, just you have to type your type your word that you want to search. Okay, look here students, the publisher has type here stop, and the result are shown in yellow color. It means the three words computer system identify. Now the next topic is replacing text. Dear students, to find and replace a word or text, you have to follow some steps. The step first is click on the home tab, and then after you have to click on the replace button from the editing group. The find and replace dialog box appear. Okay, the replace tab is selected by default. Type the word or text in the find word box that you want to search in order to replace, and in the replace with box enter the word or text that you want to replace with the searched one, and then after click on the find next button to search the specific text to be replaced. As you click, the first entry of the word or text get highlighted in gray color, and then click on Find Next button to jump to the next occurrence to the defined text, and click on the Replace button if you want to replace the word only at the current position, and then after click on the Replace All button to replace the word at every occurrence in the document. Once Word has finished the search and replace operation, a message box prompt. You have to click on OK button and then close the Find and Replace dialog box. Okay students, then after you have to close the Find and Replace dialog box. Okay. Now come to the next page. The next page is page number 56. You can see here spelling and grammar. Your next topic is spelling and grammar. Sometimes you may commit spelling or grammatical error while typing a document. Okay. The spelling and grammar tools in Word 2016 checks for such error and suggest correct spelling or grammar. The spelling error in a document is indicated by a red wavy underline, while contextual or grammatical error in a document is indicated by a blue wavy line. To check for the grammatical error, you have to follow some steps. Dear students, first of all, we need to know what is the spelling mistake and what is the grammatical mistakes. The computer how indicate this type of mistakes. So dear students, if there is any spelling mistakes in your documents, then computer will indicate with red wavy underline, and if any contextual or grammatical error in your document, then the computer will indicate it with blue wavy underline. Okay students, it means if your spelling is wrong, then the computer will show a red wavy line like this, and when a grammatical mistakes, the computer will show a blue wavy line. Okay students, like this blue wavy line under the word. So with the help of these wavy lines, you can find where is the spelling and grammatical mistakes. Okay students, so there are two methods to check your spelling and grammatical mistakes in your document. Step first, okay, first of all, method first is here. Step first, place the cursor at the position where you want to begin the grammar check. सबसे पहले जो है आपको माउस पॉइंटर अपना जो है प्लेस करना है जहाँ से आप जो है ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स चेक करना चाहते हैं. Then after on the review tab, click on the spelling and grammar button in the proofing group. Now you have to click on the review tab. Yes students, you can see here this is the review tab, and then after you have to click on the spelling and grammar button from the proofing group. Here you can see this is a proofing group, this is the language group, this is comment group, this is tracking group, this is change group, and this is compare group. Okay, now the entire sentence gets highlighted in gray. After the selecting spelling and grammar button from the proofing group, the entire sentence gets highlighted in gray and the grammar task pane appear on the right side of the window. The grammatical error gets highlighted. A possible solution is suggested in the box as shown in figure 5.5. You can see here, students, this is the figure 5.5. okay, this is the figure 5.5. okay, dear students, the computer system find here a grammatical mistakes, that is do or does, and here is also computer gives suggest you, and then after just you have to click on change option. okay, now look at the method 2. Just you have to right click on the blue variable underline word. A pop-up list of suggested grammatical solution will be appear. Click on the correct option. The error is rectified. okay, students, so these are the two methods to check your spelling and grammatical mistakes in your documents. With the help of these two methods, you can also make your documents. okay, so dear students, I hope you all are understand. This is the very easy steps. okay, students, bye bye, have a good day. काम्या